Welcome to the Python Learn Together, Code Together. Now we'll see something about packages in Python. Packages means this is the collection of modules. So if lots of modules are there, that means we already seen how to create our own module and how to write our own definitions inside the module. Yeah, here only you can see it is a my module, and I already told how to create this. You can just for a recap, you can just see that. Now addition, this is my definition. Okay, here difference, sum. Okay, this is the module creation. Similarly, the collection of lots of modules, and they can be called as the packages. For example, NumPy. NumPy contains this is one that means this commonly used packages. NumPy, Scrippy, there are lots of packages are there. All those packages, they contain the lots of modules, and even sometimes they may even contain the sub packages. It is like a package, and under that sub package and modules, and inside that we are going to write all these definitions, that means functions. So in Python, then how to create this package, or how the package is actually there, how the Python is going to recognize for example, if I just type import NumPy, that NumPy is a package. How it is going to recognize that as a package? Okay, now we will going to create our own package. So for that, what we have to do means I'm going to package means it is just how to create, but if you want to create the efficient, or if you want to create your own package, that means powerful package, you need to write lots of things. But here just a basic, that means how to create the package. For that, now I'm in the desktop. Okay, I will tell how to create the packages even in mobile also by using the Termux. So here now I'm in the desktop, and in order to create the package, I need to just create one folder. First of all, I need to create one folder, because this follows the hierarchical order, like a package, sub package, and then comes the modules, and inside those modules the functions. Okay, so now I'm creating one folder. This is my package. I'm going to call this package as okay, books. This is my package. This is just one example I'm going to show. And inside this books, okay, now I opened the books. Yeah, I'm going to show here. Inside this books, okay, here you can see this is my package. Now my package is empty. I don't have anything. Inside this books, I'm going to have some sub packages. That is, I'm going to just create the new folder, and here you need to just create the folders. Okay, and here I need to create my sub package name as science. Okay, it is the science, and I'm going to create another folder. Sorry, I just created the shortcut. I need to create another folder, and this I will going to call as maths. And I'm going to create another folder, that is biology. Okay, now I created my sub packages. So here books is the package, and this is the sub package, and inside the sub package, that means inside this maths, I'm going to create the modules. So I will call this modules as for this here understanding purpose, I'm going to call this as book 1, book 2, like that. So those modules, as I told already, this is a Python file, that means file name. The file is, for example, if I have book1.py, the Python file, then the module is book1. The name of that Python file is we can use in the module. That means the module plus .py becomes the file name. Okay, I think you understand. It is like okay, here I have something, my module name as book1.py. Okay, no, my module name is book1, and if I add to this .py, then it will becomes book1.py. That is the file. now I'm going to create this file. So inside this file I'm going to write some of the functions. Inside this file I'm going to write some functions or function definitions. Okay, this is my module book1.py. Okay, that means what we are going to do means here I have a package, package package, and inside that package I created a sub package, and inside that sub package now I'm going to create the modules, and inside those modules I'm going to create my functions. I'm going to write the function definitions. Okay, so for that now we created the sub packages, and in order to create the modules is always modules.py. So okay, so in order to create the modules, here I need to just go to new and Python file. If this option is not there, then you just go to text document and just Control A and just give backspace, and here write book1.py. Okay, this is my Python file. Click book1.py, and I'm going to have another module that I'm going to call as book2.py. But these modules now don't have anything. It is just an empty file. But I'm going to show how the packages we can build. Okay, which is inside this maths. Similarly, I will copy these two files, and I will copy this to biology and as well as to the science. That means now we have books, and inside the books I have biology, maths and science, and inside biology I have book 1, book 2, and inside maths I have again book 1, book 2. I think you've understand what I did. It's like now what I did means books, it is my package, and inside this I'm going to have sub packages, that is maths, and then I have science, and I have biology. This is my sub packages, and inside the maths I'm going to have book 1 and book 2. Okay, and similarly inside the science I'm going to have these two. Okay, I'm just going to copy, and I'm going to paste that book 2, and inside this biology I'm going to have book 1 and book 2. Okay, that means this is my books is a whether I named this as a books or it is just a book. Yeah, it is a books. Okay, books, this is my package. This is my package. Okay, books, this is my package, AGE package, and inside this maths, science and biology, these are all the sub package, PACKAGE sub package, and this is also the sub package. I think you understand about this. This is the sub package, and here this book 1, book 2, these are all called as the modules. This is my module, and this is another module, book 2, and this is another which is inside the sub package called science, and this is inside the sub package biology. I think you understand what I did now. And inside this module we are going to have different functions. For example, inside this module I'm going to write sum. It is not relevant to the book. Now I'm just taking sum of a comma b, this is 1, and here I'm going to have another difference of a comma b. Like that, we need to have lots of functions in each module. Okay, if we take numpy or anything, there are lots of functions like this, not like sum and difference. They're going to write some difficult functions like this. Okay, sum, difference, and inside the module 2 again there are some functions, and here book 1 module, and inside this module there are lots of functions like this. Okay, so I think you've understand about this, and here now what we created is inside this books, and here we created biology, maths and science, and inside biology we have the two files. Okay, now I'm going to choose maths, and inside this maths book 1. Okay, book 1, I need to edit this with notepad plus plus, and here I need to I need to write some functions, because in order to show this in Python interpreter I need to have some functions. So I'm going to define sum of a comma b, then colon, and here I need to print here I need to print sum is and comma a plus b, and I need to close this. Now if I call this function, that is inside the package, inside the sub package, inside the module, when I call this, it will going to add those two numbers and it will print like this. I'm going to save this. Okay, now the remaining book 2 and the remaining files, assume that those files are also contain some definitions. Okay, now where we have the files, that is where is that? Now we created our sum definitions in, okay, this is my now we created our sum of sum a comma b, which is located in my package books, and inside the books it is in maths sub package, and inside that sub package it is in book 1. I think it's in book 1, am I right? Maths, and it is in I think I will just notepad, I will just use notepad, it is in book 1. So now but it is just a folder, it is not the package now. Okay, it is just a folder, it is not become the packages. So in order to make this package, that means when the Python when we use this import books, then it has to the Python has to come to know this is the package. So in order to make this as a package, we need to create one file in all these directories. That means this is my package, and inside this package, if I'm going to create one new file, text document, just choose text document and Control A, just delete this, and here the Python will recognize for the file that we are going to creating now. If it recognizes this file, then it considers this as something like a package. So this file is named as slash okay, it's not slash, it underscore init initialization underscore init underscore dot py. Okay, dot py, this is that file. If we have this file underscore init underscore dot py, then the Python will going to recognize this as a package. So every package must have this one. Okay, underscore init underscore dot py. So we will copy this, Control C, because we have even the sub packages. So inside the sub packages, if the Python comes, the Python has to know this is the sub package and it has some modules. How it comes to now this is the sub package, that means it comes to now it is a sub package and it has some modules. For that, again we need to have this file underscore init underscore. At that time it will going to encounter with this dot py, and then it will come to understand that it is some modules, and inside this some functions are there. Like that the Python will going to think. So here it finds this one, that means underscore init underscore, and it checks the other files. Yeah, this is the folder, that means it thinks like it's a sub package. Okay, now in maths also we need to copy this underscore init, and in science also we need to paste this. Okay, then now we can say that we build a package that is called as a books, but nothing is there, only just addition of the two numbers, but it is a package. Now how to import our package in Python? So for that, okay, now I just tried with many things, and I just made something like this. Okay, this is what we did: package, sub package, and modules and the functions. Now books is a package. Yeah, this is already, yeah, what we are doing. Here I just did one yeah, package import. Okay, here we have, okay, this is what the main thing, uh, package, sub package, and here module, and here function or those module definitions. Okay, this is the importing structure, how we can import, how we can get that function definitions. That is, it has the three ways we can import these definitions from the package. That means, yeah, we will just keep like this, and I'm going to open now Python interpreter. Okay, in command prompt I will going to open, because if we, as I already told, if I directly go here and if I Python, then it will just comes from different location. But I have my package in desktop, so I need to open my Python interpreter in desktop. So I'm going to use command prompt. Or if you are using anything Anaconda or anything, then you have to make sure that these books that we created now, you just copy that and paste in the directory where it is opening or where it is coming from, those spiders or anything ID. And here C users, and here I need to yeah, cd desktop, desktop. Oh, sorry, desktop. If you are using in command prompt, then you need to just type cd and desktop. If you are using in Jupyter notebook, there you can directly, that is like a graphical user interface. Okay, there you can directly get. So here now I need to run this Python. Okay, Python. Now I want to import my package. Okay, what the name I created, my package name is books. Here you can see this is books. So I can do this by yeah, I'm going to split screen this, and yeah, now you can see from package.subpackage.module import. Yeah, I think I can minimize like this. Yeah, okay, now here if you want to import our package, that is books, I can write from books. Okay, if you just import books, yeah, now it is imported. You can see there is no error. That means we successfully created our package. That means books. But if we import like this, then it's I think it is not possible to access the function. So the simpler way, here I listed the three simpler way. So from that we can import the package. What is the package name? Our package name is books, and inside the books now we are trying with, okay, trying with this one. We are going to try with this one. Import books dot and sub package. Where is the sub package? Here you can see when I open here, yeah, I need to open the desktop, and here I have books. Okay, here inside the books, yeah, it is already created. PyCache, the cache is already created. And here inside the maths and book 1. Okay, inside the maths we have book 1. Okay, so now here I need to go to maths, import books dot maths and dot which module. I need to tell that module, which module, book 1, it is my module, and from this I'm import sum. Okay, I think we write that as a sum. We'll check that once. Yeah, this is book 1. I'm going to edit with notepad++. Okay, now here you can see the sum of a comma b. So here I'm going to in the Python I'm going to import sum. Yeah, then if I click the enter, yeah, what is showing book 1, yeah, import books 1, import sum, invalid syntax. I think import books dot, yeah, a share. Here it is not import. When to use from, here you can see it is from package import. Okay, we just write here books, and here also import. It is wrong syntax. Okay, so here we need to use from books dot maths dot book 1 import sum. Okay, now it is imported successfully because we not get an errors. Now if I call function, that means the sum of here 3 comma 5, then it will give us sum is 8. I think, yeah, we successfully created our Python package and we run that package. Here you can see it is coming. Sum is 8. And similarly, you can try with these things, but this is the easiest thing. If you use this like import package.subpackage.module, that means here if I import like import books.maths dot and my model name is book1. Then in order to access that function, I need to again use books dot maths dot book1 dot sum, and here this is called as the dot operator. That means it is going to the next directories like that. Okay, here sum of 2 comma 6, and you can see sum is 8. Like that we can even try with this one. Sometimes this we already learned. If we created only module, then we can import module and module.function, or from module import function, or another thing that is from module import star. Okay, we will add that one also. That is from module. This we just learned in the previous video. From module import star. This also we can use, that I already explained what is the drawbacks by using this star in the previous video. And sometimes what happens means we have only package and module and definition. This sub package will not be there. In all the in most of the packages there is no sub packages. It is a simpler version, package, module and definition. Sub packages are there when the modules are very heavy. Enormous amount of modules are there. At that time they will make package, sub package, module, definition. So now if we have only a package and module and definition, then we can use these two things in order to import that. Only package and module, that means here only books is there, and inside books, book 1, book 2, book 3, like that. We are not having again the sub package called math, science, like that. I think you understand about this. You can try with that. That will also we can import and we can create. And this is what the syntax we need to use to in order to import the our function definitions if it has the package and the modules. Import package, from package import module, and module.function, that variable, whatever this that function we can use. Or this is another method by using the dot operator. From import package.module, module.function, here we need to use that function. I think you have understand this. And another thing is the from package.subpackage.import star. The star comes here also. This little bit that means for some lazy people, as I told. Okay, this is not good practice of writing, but what happens means if the package contains package, subpackage and modules and then some function definitions. If it is like that, then if we use like from package.subpackage.import star, okay, if we do like this, for example, now I'm going to use this, we'll see what it will give. From my package is books dot subpackage is maths and okay, subpackage import star. Now we may think that it is going to import all the functions which are and that means all the what is that, all the modules. Okay, now we may think that it will going to import all the modules which are there inside this maths sub package. You may think like that. Okay, I will going to click enter. It will not give us the error. Now I'm going to use okay, I'm going to use what's that function, book1 dot sum. Okay, book1 dot sum of 2 comma 3. I think now it will give us the answer because we already imported in the previous things. Yeah, if we just close this and we will come back again, we will see whether it's going to work or not. And here, yeah, I'm going to like this, I'm going to cd desktop and inside this desktop I need to run Python, and here I need to use what's that, from package, from package, from package, dot, yeah, not package, from books, dot sub package, that is maths, and import star, then I need to use book one dot sum, and here 4,3. Yeah, now it is giving name book one is not defined, but here it will not give us any error from books.math import start. It's because when the package contains the package, sub-package, and those what is that, modules, and some functions in those modules, at that time here I told inside this books, here there is one file called double score init double score double underscore dot py. So if inside this, okay, inside this init.py, there is another what's that, a list called underscore underscore all underscore underscore, that is equal to, okay, I will show that here inside this maths, yeah, here underscore underscore init.py. Okay, inside this I'm going to edit this, and here is empty. Now if I have underscore underscore all underscore underscore equals to, and here I need to write what are all the modules this Python has to take when we use the star operator, by using that star operator. So here if I write book one, okay, I'm going to write book one and I'm save it. Okay, I will just save this. Yeah, this has to be in double quotes. Yeah, double quotes. If we have book two, then just write book two. Okay, but yeah, we'll just write book two. Book two is not necessary now. We'll just book one. Okay, I'm going to save this, and I will close this. Now we will again open our Python interpreter. Yeah, cmd and cd desktop, and yeah, and I need to where is that? Yeah, then I need to go to Python, and here I need to use I think I can copy this, yeah, but here package and sub package is there. So from books dot sub package is maths, import star. Okay, now we will check whether book one dot sum, book one dot sum 3,4. Yeah, it is 7. Sum is 7. It is giving 7. But in the previous time when we imported by using the star, it is not give us the 7. It will give us the error, because what happens means the Python will going to check this that means underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py, and it will going to read in this file whether it contains this variable underscore underscore all underscore underscore, and that variable is assigned to the different modules, book 1, book 2, book 3. That is a user defined. If I want to access the user by using the star operator, if the user writes this like star operator, then if I write here book 1 comma book 2, okay, I will write book 1 and in the book 2, book 3, like that. If suppose if I have 10 modules and if I write only 3 modules, then while writing the program, that means the programmer, if we import some module which is written by someone, and he import that module, and if we write like if we use the star operator, then he can able to only use, he or she can able to only use only those modules that are written here by the that means by the creator of that module. So if we not at all write this, then it will gives us the error. If we use the star operator, then we import the some things, import book 1, like that. Here not import book 1, here we used what we used. Yeah, here we just like book1.sum. If we use that, it will gives us the error because that is not there. So be careful about while using the star operator, because at initially we don't know what are all the things that person has wrote while using some libraries. So sometimes those users, that means the creators, will going to write this, sometimes they will not. So I not prefer using this one. Now I think you have understand about this. And yeah, this is the package, and I think you understand about how to create the package and how to access this, and what is it. I will going to share this file with the video, don't worry. I think you understand about this. And in the mobile, I'm going to show now how to use how to create all these things. You just need to open the Termax in the mobile app. I already told how to use and how to install the Python and all. Yeah, in mobile, let's see how to create the package and how to see all those things what we did just now in computer. For that, you need to just go to Termax, and inside this Termax, yeah, okay, just type clear. Because in order to clear all these things what are there here, just create that, click OK. And here if the Python is not installed, then just type pkg install Python. It is installed. Once we install, then it will not going to uninstall. Okay, then just check where we are working. pwd, present working directory. It is somewhere data com termax files home. We need to just change this to our internal storage. So for that, what I'm going to do means cd change directory slash storage storage slash emulated and slash 0. Then click enter. Yeah, now if we check our present working directory, it is storage, emulated and 0. Okay, that means we are in the internal storage now. And we need to create now we are going to building our package. So I'm going to, if we are in the internal storage, if we look in the internal storage, look here, I'm going to open my internal storage, and here we have lots of our files. That means some system files or some downloads or whatever the things. Here you may have lots of files. So make sure we are going to create a new folder, and we are doing all those programming in that. That's why I created one folder called my programs. Okay, my programs. Here we already created those things, some printing.py, my program.py. Yeah, we already created. Let it be there. But we do our task in my programs. Okay, in this folder. So I'm not going to create again that folder. If you not have, or if you wish to create your those things packages in a new folder, then just type mkdir or just type cd, and here I need to go to my programs, programs, my programs, and now I'm in my programs folder. So now I need to create my package called books. Okay, I need to create my package called books. So for that, the easiest way is you just copy this complete folder and just paste this in your mobile's internal storage. Go to my programs, there you paste it. That will finish creating of things. Or if you want to create, then we will just mkdir, then here make books. Okay, and the folder, and go to inside. This is our package. Go to inside books, and okay, inside my books I need to create science, maths and biology. Okay, just it is just by mkdir maths, okay, and mkdir science, and even we need to create mkdir and biology. Okay, here we need to create mkdir biology, biology. And similarly we need to create another file, that is underscore init. So for that you just use nano and underscore init dot py. Okay, I'm using the nano editor because it is already available in Termex. So just type nano underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py, then click enter. Yeah, it will just open that file. No need to write anything here, just type control X. Yeah, here I need to press this control and X. Yeah, okay, we already created. We can check whether what are the things that we created. Just type ls, it will going to show biology, maths and science. And okay, yeah, oh, it's not the L, yeah, it is ls, sorry. And we have this folder nano slash slash init slash s dot py. Okay, uh, we can check that, we can verify that by go to this files and open your internal storage and open where is it, my programs. And inside this, yeah, books is created, and inside the books, yeah, only we have biology, maths and science. That underscore underscore, that is not created. So what we can do, how we can create here, not here, yeah, in Termex, we need to create that empty file. So for that, okay, again I'm going to write nano underscore underscore. We will check whether it is possible to create by using this nano. Yeah, I'm going to write this, and here, okay, just type anything like this. Okay, just type anything and just delete that. We'll check whether it will going to save. And control, yeah, we need to save this. Yeah, control X, it has to ask, yeah, here I'm going to use this keyboard. Yeah, control X, yeah, save modified buffer, and click yes and click OK. Now I think it gets saved. Because if we just write anything, if we just type nano init.py and control X, it will going to exit. So just type anything and just backspace it. That means it should not contain anything. If it contain like something 1 to 2 characters, then it will give us the error. So now we will check ls. Okay, now we will check ls. Yeah, now we have slash slash init, not underscore underscore init.py, biology, maths and science. We have all these things. Then now where we are at pwd, present working directory. Now we are at my program slash books. So now I need to go to my previous directory, that is my programs. So I can use cd dot dot. So now if I check pwd, present working directory, it is my programs. Okay, similarly you have to create all those things. That means okay, yeah, where is that? Yeah, we created, yeah, I need to create another thing, book 1, book 2, that one I just forgot. I'm going to cd again, I need to go to book. Okay, I need to cd and my programs, yeah, cd books, and inside this I have biology, maths and science, and inside the maths, okay, I'm going to cd maths, and inside this I need to create nano, and nano, inside this maths I need to create the 2 files. That is, one is this one and another is the our modules. Okay, modules will create book 1 and book 2, nano book 1 dot py, and here we are going to have the def and sum of a comma b, and 1 2 3 4, and here we have to write okay, print sum is it has to give sum is a plus b. Yeah, now it's correct, and we will just type control X, yeah, control and X, and click Y and just click enter. Okay, now it will get saved. And similarly we need to have another called nano book2.py. Then here, yeah, nothing is there, but just give something, just write anything and just give the backspace, otherwise it will not going to save the file. So then just type Control X, then Y, and click enter. Now it created. Another thing what we have to create means nano we can copy or you can just create, because it is easy to create. .py. Need to create like this, just type anything and then just type Control X and click Y and click OK. Now if we list what all things we have i90.py, book1 and book2.py. okay, now we can see what are the things we have in our files. Okay, I'm going to files and in biology nothing is there. In maths we have i90 book 1 book 2, and in science nothing is there. We need to just copy these things. That means these things I just have to copy to internal storage, and here my programs, where is that folder? My programs, and here books and biology, and here we need to copy here. Okay, I just copied those two biology, and even I need to copy that to another folder, that is I think you understand. You can just copy and you can use. Now we have here, you can see this is our books is our package. This package will going to have biology, maths and science. This is all the sub packages, and this will underscore i90 underscore this will going to recognize it. And inside this sub package we will have book 1 book 2. These are all the different modules, and inside this book1.py here I'm not going to open book1.py. We have those module definitions, and this one we can run by using the termax. Go to termax and just type clear, because it's not necessary. Now where we are, pwd. We are at storage, my programs. Just go to my programs. That means cd //. Now if we check pwd, this is my programs. Okay, now here I'm going to run my python python. Then now here if I import books, we can see this is successfully imported. That means we successfully created our package even in the mobile. As I already told, you can check all these things. This one book 1, and here it is there, the package. This one we can check. So in order to import here we have all those things you can try. Okay, I think you understand. Okay, here I'm going to use this one now, because I already told this. So now I'm going to use this from package.subpackage import module and module.function. So here I'm going to use not here. I need to use that in termax. So here I'm going to use from my package name, that is books dot subpackage, that is maths, import book 1, that's my module. Okay, then if I click enter, it is successfully imported. Then book 1 dot sum, and here 3 comma 5. Then we'll check. Sum is set. We successfully created our own package. Okay, if we write any big large programs or codes, and we can make very nice package by using this. I think you understand how to do this in mobile and as well as the computer, how to create the package. This file I will going to share with you. Just these are the different things we have to use while calling this package. I think you understand this. Thank you.